Welcome to the definitive guide on finding your perfect laptop. We will help you navigate the myriad of options and guide your purchase decision. The market offers countless options. Manufacturers categorize laptops by design, performance, and use. We will match your daily needs to the right hardware. Designers build 6 core laptop categories. The spectrum spans from ultra-portable machines to powerful workstations. We explore each specific category now. The first category is 2-in-1 hybrid laptops. These devices combine tablet and laptop functions with touchscreens and 360-degree hinges. They are great for artists and students. Next are thin and light Ultrabooks, designed for high portability and excellent battery life. Professionals often choose these thin computers, with examples including the MacBook Air and Dell XPS 13. Traditional notebooks are standard clamshell laptops that balance performance, screen size, and storage. Families use these for general home and office tasks, like the HP Pavilion and Lenovo IdeaPad series. Chromebooks run Google's ChromeOS and rely on cloud storage instead of large internal drives. Students often buy these affordable devices for basic tasks. Gaming laptops pack powerful CPUs and GPUs, making them thicker and heavier. The extra space accommodates massive cooling systems required for intensive gaming. Finally, mobile workstations are heavy-duty laptops delivering maximum computing power. Professionals use these for advanced engineering tasks, 3D modeling, and video rendering. You must choose your operating system, as the software dictates your daily user experience. The market offers Windows, macOS, or ChromeOS. The golden rule is portability versus performance. Thin laptops have less graphical power, while larger ones hold stronger components. You must balance your priorities. 2 vital factors change your daily experience: battery life and display quality. Commuters and travelers need massive battery life, while designers and gamers demand high display quality. This buyer's diagnostic matrix helps match your profile to the right category and key strength, whether you are a student, traveler, office worker, gamer, or engineer. Specifications serve your personal goals. You define your daily workflow, and we match the perfect tool to your life. Now you understand the market categories and know your personal requirements. You can make a confident choice today.